Let's move on to one more thing from Apple. Apple Watch Series 7. We're reviewing it right now. This is the hands-on or wrist-on review of that. So performance, shape, sensors, battery life, more or less the same as Series 6. Upgraded display, 20% bigger size, reduced bezel, looks much better than the Series 6. All of those things are the good things. But I'm still wondering, other than the big display and slightly better battery life, is there anything else that really makes them stand out?
The Apple Watch Series 7 on paper does not seem much of an upgrade. A bigger and brighter display and an IP rating. The charging is faster, but not really. But like all tech products, the story is never really clear specifically by what's on paper. These small upgrades really can change the way you look at the Apple Watch Series 7. At least one specific version of the Series 7, the 41mm version. We saw that, and hence we went ahead with the 41mm version of our review of the Series 7. And we review it to ponder the question, should you upgrade? Let's start by getting the stuff that has not changed much from the Series 6 out of the way. The Apple Watch Series 7 maintains the same shape as the previous models. The same kind of curvature, the same glass on the front and back, with the sides made out of aluminum, stainless steel or titanium. The bands from all the previous gen Apple Watches are also supported on the Series 7. The internals are exactly the same processor on board as the Series 6, with the performance and responsiveness just as fast and smooth as before. No new sensors either. The Series 7 can track your heart rate and activities. It can also do ECG, track the altitude where the user is on a hike, and detect if the user has collapsed on the ground. And another similarity is the battery life, which is just limited to 18 hours. And the charging is also the same as the Series 6, at least for the Indian models. Apple, due to an unknown reason, has limited the hardware on the Indian versions of the Series 7 to prevent it from fast charging, which is not the case with the international versions, because other models claim to charge from 0 to 80% in 45 minutes. Now let's talk about what is new. The display. Due to the curvature of the glass, the display slightly curves at the end. This looks pretty amazing, especially with the colorful watch faces. Talking about watch faces, the new watch faces take full advantage of this edge-to-edge display. The contour watch face pushes the numbers right up to the edges. The modular duo watch face adds two full-sized complications which display detailed information. And even though the display is curved, the glare does not affect the usage much at all. The version most affected by the increased display size is the smaller one. We can now confidently say that the 41mm version of the watch can be considered by everyone and not just people with smaller wrists. The display is big enough that selecting different options and the overall UI is very easy to use and looks great even on the smaller version of the Series 7. A full-size QWERTY keyboard is also available that can be used to type out quick and small replies to messages. The display also has a much brighter always-on mode. So no matter where the user is, indoors or in direct sunlight, they can always see the time and other information on the watch without making the obvious gesture to activate the display. The bigger and brighter display is now stronger too. The glass on the Series 7 is 50% thicker than before, making it less likely to crack or scratch up. The tightly sealed casing has an official IP6X rating for dust resistance. Now, based on everything we know about the Apple Watch Series 7, we have to answer the most important question. Who should upgrade? Well, if you have the Series 5 or Series 6, you do not need to upgrade. If you have the Series 4 or any Apple Watch older than that, then you can consider either version of the Series 7, with the 41mm aluminum GPS version starting at the price of $41,900. You will cherish the brighter and bigger display, the newer sensors, better performance, and most of all, the always-on mode. Hence, if you're looking to upgrade from the Series 4 or older, or just looking for a smartwatch for your iPhone, the Series 7 will be a firm recommendation for you.